Yeah, this is him right here. Are you sure?
Yeah, you see him.
Get in front of him though.
Here, you get behind him, Andy. Yeah.
Let me get below you. And Curtis, if you leave him, make sure he comes down to him, because there's a pool right in front of him. Get in front of his head. Got it. Hold on a sec, Gertie, let me get a better grip. Okay, I got his tail. Give me his gill. That's what I got. Let me get his gill. Hold on, he's got my. I got him. Don't pull, you got my fingers. Got him good? Yeah. Yeah! Get him out of here, shallow. That's a cat, Jack! Ow! Hold on! Ow! Yeah! That's a flathead, baby! Curdy, look at my fingers. Whoa! That's all I wanted!
Oh, that sandbar.
You guys want to think elk hunting on? That's probably a 45-pounder. Dude!
That's a big one there.
Yes! Look at that thing! Oh, clamp down on me. Oh, look at my shredded fingers.
Uh...
That's what it's about.